Check, yeah, fucking now. You need to fucking know. I'm about to spit the real shit and it's fucking loud. You peeps need to sit down, keep the shit right. I'm about to hit the shit about the shit that's time. I'm about to DarkDreamers, the motherfucker like to play. One of the only motherfuckers with a J-tag today. He's got the fucking name with the tech name. One thing for sure, this motherfucker not lame. He's the host with the most from coast to fucking coast. In this worldwide web, this motherfucker's got the most. Everything you fucking need, DarkDreamer, he feed. But he wants the fucking money cause he suffers from greed. There one motherfucker got the shit that he got. There one motherfucker can't stop what he got. It's that bottom warfare, he don't play fair. Come and check it out, I'll throw out that dare.
Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play.
What is it all about? Well, I'm gonna let you know. It's all about the hacks in this motherfucking flow. This Xbox 3, then you put the chicks down. I tell you what you're gonna get when you paint it down. To that wall, hack, you can see through the walls. You can shoot around the corner, make a motherfucker fall. Get that aim, not shoot him from far away. It's not fucking cheating, that's how we fucking play. Get that automatic boom, boom, headshot. Got that automatic kill, and your enemies fucking stop. Get that red laser sight on. You can see the enemy name, and that shit ain't fucking wrong. All you gotta do is play where they play. These motherfuckers winning every motherfucking day. It's that DarkDreamer, the man with the fame. They hosted only one place, the tech game.
Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Just come and play, come and play. Motherfuckers need to come and play. Shouts to that DarkDreamer, to that Alex, and all the peeps at the techgame.com. This is Vise.